Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokèra boilers. We're here at our London Colney showrooms, and in this short video I'd like to explain how to use one of the 11 European languages that are embedded in our Vokèra Synergy boilers. The Vokèra Synergy can display text in one of 11 European languages. The languages are in the manual. To choose the language, you need to go into user parameters. So if the screen is in slumber, press any button to wake it up. Now press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds so we can enter user parameters. P1, user parameters or settings. Press top left to enter. P101 is language. Press top left to enter. Language 3 is English. The other languages are listed in the manual. So select the language you want. Use the buttons on the right to select that language. Once chosen, press the menu button to lock that new setting in. When finished, press bottom left to return to the main display. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.